Alright, number 4, we have another system of 3 equations, and we're going to solve this as well. I'm going to do a lot of mental math because it takes a lot of space, but I'll explain to you what's going on. So I've written the equation down, or the 3 equations down. I'm going to move this. Okay, so since this time the third row has a coefficient of a 1 on x, I'm going to use this equation to manipulate and eliminate x in these two, and then give me 2 equations with 2 unknowns. Alright, so I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to leave it the same. 4x minus 8y plus 8z equals -6. In order to eliminate x, I need to multiply by -4 to get x gone. So I'm multiplying this whole thing by -4. -4x, then it will become plus 8y, and then it will be minus 8z equals +4. Alright, now I'm going to add these up together. X gets eliminated, 0. This gets eliminated, 0. This also gets eliminated, 0. And then over here we end up with equals -2. So if you ever have this scenario where everything gets eliminated, all your variables that is, and you're left with something that is not true, it doesn't matter if I'm adding or subtracting zeros, this is just saying 0 equals -2. This is a false statement. Okay, 0 is not equal to 2. And so, that being the case, we're going to say that this has no solution. So 0 with a line through it. So we don't have to go any further here. Actually, I want to show you what that looks like with the calculator as well. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to clear out what we did. Second matrix, go over to edit, hit enter. We still have 3 by 4, so enter. I'm going to put the new equations, the new coefficients, so 4, enter, and then -8, and then +8, and then -6. Alright, the next row we have 3, enter, 2, enter, -2, and then 5. Alright, and then on the last row we have a +1 for coefficient there, -2, +2, and then -1. Always good to be careful and double check to make sure you have everything correct. I feel pretty confident, so we're going to hit second quit. And then you're going to go second matrix again, go over to math, arrow up to RREF, and then second matrix one more time, and then just hit enter on that one, A, that we've edited. And see here, the first row has 1 and then 0, so saying that this one is 0. And then they have 2 1s, a 1 and a -1. So that is very much different from what we saw before. Normally you just have a 1 in each column going down the diagonal, and your answer's over here. So when you see something like this, that's letting you know that it's not true. Or the last row basically will be all zeros, and then you'll have some number over here. That's the pretty much big indication. So there is no solution here. So we're going to say inconsistent. That's what means no solution. So saying the answer is no solution. That's that symbol here that I wrote down. A 0 with a line through it means no solution.